Hey traders, this is MsPutOptions, and today is December 25th, 2014. So Merry Christmas to all you guys. We had a short day of trading on the 24th, and I actually posted these charts here on my Facebook page, I believe on the 23rd, the night of the 23rd. So I want to do a recap and see how these charts are looking. Right now we're looking at CBK. We're looking at a daily view here, and let's see what I said about CBK. I said possible gap closure at the $6.49 mark, which is right here. I said watch out for the moving day averages, volume, and the fib lines. And then we might go as high as the gap closure at $9.02, which is right up here. So this is what I said the night of the 23rd. And let's fast forward here and see what's going on with the CPK, a daily view here. Let's look at what's going on with the chart. And we're going to change this to a daily view. And here we go. We have the ticker symbol CBK. We have the daily view. Our trend lines seem to be going upward, which is great. However, we had earnings on the 4th, so that shouldn't affect anything. That's all said and done. That's over 21 days ago, so that shouldn't affect our trade. But it looks like everything is going beautifully. It looks like um, it is trying to go over the middle Bollinger Band. It's right at the middle Bollinger Band, and the parabolic stars are going upward. And I'm not liking where the 50-day and the 200-day moving average are going, but however, it is going in an upward motion here, and it looks like it's going to be some gap closure roughly around the $6+ mark here. And if we're able to get over the 50-day, who knows, maybe we can get that gap closure as high as the $9 plus mark that I had mentioned earlier before. So this looks like this is pretty much on point. Remember, I said, and I keep saying in all of my videos, that nobody really knows where the stock is going to go. All you can do is take an educated guess. That's all you really can do. With all these lagging indicators, that's all you really can do. So let's look back at another chart here. The next chart we're going to talk about is VMI. We're looking at a 4-hour view, and it is great to look at different time frames. Just do not focus on one time frame, because you might see something that's going on in one time frame that you don't see in another. And as you can see, we have a little gap closure area here that needs to be closed. At the time, this stock was trading over the middle Bollinger Band. However, it was trading underneath the 50 and the 200-day moving average. It's within the Bollinger Bands. However, the parabolic SARs are going in an upward trend, so that's a plus as we're looking at the 4-hour view here. So I said VMI, excuse me, has a possible gap closure at the 132.58 mark, already over the middle Bollinger Band. All the indicators are turned upward, and so are the parabolic SARs. So watch out for the moving day averages. Okay, so before you place any trades, make sure you do your own homework. So let's look at VIM, the 4-hour view, and see what's going on, because I posted this chart on the 23rd. So let's look at VIM here. We're going to type in VIM, or was it VMI? I think it was VMI. I'm sorry, I do apologize. VMI. There we go. Alright, so I apologize about that. We're going to look at the 4-hour view here and see what's going on. And as you can see, we're looking here, and it is still trading over the middle Bollinger Band several days later. And it looks like it's going to be a possible gap closure. But what I do not like here on VMI, the 4-hour view, what I do not like is that dividends were just paid on 12/23/2014. So if you know anything about dividends, dividends has a tendency to drop the stock. So watch out for this. It might be a little drop before there is a increase. So hopefully dividends were paid, and it looks like it really didn't affect it. However, it's really only 2 days since the dividends were paid out, so we have to see what's going on Friday. With again, the ticker symbol is VMI, this 4-hour view. All right, let's look at the next one here that I posted on my Facebook here. The next one I posted on my Facebook is PWRD. We're looking at a 4-hour view. Let's see what I said here. That's the ticker symbol, PWRD. I said possible gap closure at the $18.49 mark. Already trading above the Bollinger Bands, and the parabolic SARs are trending upward. Great volume with uptrend of the indicators. So here is our gap closure here. As you can see, it's trading above our middle Bollinger Band. So hopefully, what I do not like is that it's trading below the 50-day moving average. But like as you can see, the volume is pretty nice here. We're looking at the 4-hour view. So let's look at, because this is a chart a couple of days ago when I posted it on my Facebook. But let's look currently what's going on with the chart. Close of business on the 24th. So let's go back here, and the ticker symbol is PWRD. We're going to click enter. Once again, we're looking at a 4-hour view, and as you can see, it's getting closer to that top Bollinger Band. So hopefully this does not cause resistance. Hopefully that Bollinger Band will open up and hopefully allow this to go higher and higher. And we got two beautiful green candlesticks here, so hopefully there will be gap closure right here where I had mentioned, and it looks like all of our indicators are going in an uptrend when we're looking at the 4-hour chart. All right, so it looks like PWRD is going in the right direction, but like I say, do your own homework before you place any trades, okay? Because if you lose your money, you have nobody to blame but yourself. All right, let's look at what else we got going here. We're going to do one more here. The last one we're going to do is KNDI. We're looking at a 4-hour view. I posted this chart on the 23rd on my Facebook page. KNDI, I said possible gap closure at the $13.64 dollar area here. Is already over the middle Bollinger Bands, and the parabolic SARs trending upwards. We need some larger volume in order for this trade to work out. As you can see, volume pretty much sucks here. It's pretty low here. They had earnings way back here, so that shouldn't affect anything. So let's look at KNDI, the 4-hour view currently, the close of business on the 24th, and let's see how that looks here. So we say KNDI, click enter here. We're looking at a 4-hour view, and as you can see, oh, beautiful. It really, really, I mean, beautiful. However, volume still sucks here. I don't know what's going on, but we have this big spike here. And it looks like possibly, it's possibly just a smidgen, and it's going to close that gap, if it hasn't already closed that gap. Let's open this puppy up a little bit here. Let's see if it actually closed that gap here. No, it's just a hair. It's just a hair there. So uh, probably as soon as the market opens, this will be a done deal here on KNDI. It might be a couple of cents difference here. This is a low dollar stock. So those low dollar stocks takes a little time to move up, but as you can see, we have a beautiful green candlestick here. The parabolic SARs are going in an uptrend. The stock is way over the middle Bollinger Band, and this upper wick here, as you can see, is trading above the 50-day moving average, and it's really sort of kind of trading a little bit outside of the top Bollinger Band here. Hopefully this Bollinger Band will open up and this will not cause us any resistance, but I think this one here is pretty much a done deal. It might have a couple of cents to go in order to close the gap completely, but it looks like it's pretty much closed. Probably during the opening bell, this will be a done deal here, this KNDI. But you should check it out. Check out the 4-hour view and see what you think about it. Again, this is Miss Put Options. My website can best be accessed through Internet Explorer and now Google Chrome. Um, and so these are my predictions, okay? These are my predictions. So these are considerations and not recommendations, okay? Again, my website is www.msputoptions.com, where it can best be accessed through Internet Explorer and not Google Chrome. And I will talk to you guys later. Have a Merry Christmas.